am not in California anymore. I am in Phong Nha, and I am staying at the Home Sweet Home Homestay. The place is amazing. It's right here on the Song
River.
Son River. If you find yourself in Vietnam, and more specifically in Phong Nha, come say hello to the fine people at the Home Sweet Home Homestay. It's one of the last properties. There they are. There's the proprietors. Let's go back a day or two. When I was in a city called Dong Hoi. Now in Dong Hoi, I ate a duck embryo. A duck embryo. This thing cleaned me out. It rendered me useless. So what did I do? I spent 24 hours horizontal in a hostel bed in North Vietnam. But one of the benefits of that situation was I met an Irish couple who had traveled from Phong Nha to Dong Hoi. I was going from Dong Hoi to Phong Nha. They recommended a place in Phong Nha for me to stay. And for whatever reason, I forget, I didn't go to the place that they recommended. I found my own place on the Agoda app, and that place was Home Sweet Home. So I went to go check it out. When I saw the place, there was something about it that had me. I guess I fell in love with it from the get-go. I mean, even the name alone, Home Sweet Home. But more specifically, there was someone there. Well, see for yourself. I got a bunch of new friends here in Vietnam. Watch my ear. It was the right price. What can I say? Oh, it's loud. I see something in your future. I think you're going to be the next big new thing hairstylist. Huh? Okay, this little girl, Dua, first she took my heart, then you're beautiful. Then she took all my hair, so she took my strength. Well, I didn't have any hair to begin with, but I did have strength. Beautiful? She doesn't want to be on camera anymore. Terrified. It's a whole new journey into my own fears. I'm holding my ear down. It's like my version of an airbag. With each shear, my heart skips a beat. Beautiful. Where do I go from here? I mean, seriously, where does this thing go from here? I am not foolish enough to try to articulate love, but I am 100% foolish enough to fall in love. Joseph Conrad wrote a book called Heart of Darkness. Now, I never read Heart of Darkness, and I've never read any of Joseph Conrad's work. Although I am familiar with the film Apocalypse Now, which is Francis Ford Coppola's film adapted from Heart of Darkness, based in Vietnam, in particular the Vietnam War. And some of the themes of that is basically, well, let's put it this way, I guess I felt a little bit like Colonel Kurtz in a way. Hear me out. Because from what I remember from the film, Colonel Kurtz distances himself from Western life. And at this time in my trip, I was pretty far removed from Western life and civilization. Probably more so than I'd ever been in my life. I wasn't on the Instagram. I wasn't on the Facebook. I wasn't really staying connected. I was connecting myself to a foreign land. And I was really feeling the vibrations of that and the truth to that. So the reason why I'm bringing up Heart of Darkness is because I wasn't feeling any darkness in my heart at all. In fact, I was experiencing my heart of lightness. What is that? What is this? This is my breakfast? Yeah. Go. Fish, say fish, say fish. Finally, after all these years, I've managed to get someone to hold the camera for me. The lovely Dua, who brought me this incredible, can you show them? Look at that. Banana pancakes, The best coffee almost in the history of the world. What's the name of this river? Song Cha? Songchon River at the Home Sweet Home Homestay. I don't know what it's like to be a father. I don't know what that feels like. What I do know is the joys that those kids brought me and what that felt like. In particular, Dua. Her sweetness was palpable. I felt it. And I'm thankful for my time there and from what I learned there. And you never know where the road will take you in life. That's why you got to continue to go down the road.